Hey everyone, how's it going today? I just want to show you a quick video of these tubes for these brake ducts here. And what I'm going to do, since I don't actually have the ducts anymore to be able to run the line, what I bought was just kind of these square pieces. My plan, as you can see here, just drilled some holes just to kind of figure it out, but I believe I'm just going to mount it like this and run the hose around to the wheel. I'm currently changing out the rotors, so this is the perfect time to do it. I had it originally installed right here, but I realized the brake lights, the blinkers and fogs may try to hit it, so I actually routed it over here, which is actually going to be a much better solution because it's right there where my opening is. So pretty straightforward. All I gotta do now is just measure out the length that I have and attach it to the pad. So this definitely isn't the prettiest job, but it'd be pretty cool. Get this back on before I get out to some more track days. Now I'm working on the other side here. Have it routed underneath my washer tank here. And coming around pretty much now to fit it to the back of this plate. So now I have the hose routed in, looking all good now. So now I have the duct lines installed. You can see them back there now, away from the wheel. What's cool is in the front, as you can see the little vents right here, as well as right there. So pretty cool. It should get tons of airflow. But this one was a quick little video here. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or message me on Instagram at WRX_snowboarder. But as always, happy driving and enjoy.